ladies and gents, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be polishing the extractor of our Bersa Firestorm 380. Here's some of the items we'll be using. I'll put links in the comment section. Here's our extractor right here. It has the pin on the top, and it continues underneath into the slide. Right here. Let's get some light on it. There it is. Small hole. We'll be using our 3/30 seconds punch, and we're going to drive it out. When you do this, you don't want your sights resting on anything. I'm going to block your view here because I have to hold the extractor so it doesn't pop out. There's a spring inside. We drove it out all the way, and that's fine as long as you have your punch tool. And there's a spring inside there, so hold down your extractor with your thumb as you remove your tool. For reassembly orientation, you'll notice that it's curved at the end, which matches this. Okay, now this is the only piece that needs to be polished. There and there. I suggest storing your pins in a plastic baggie for safekeeping. Okay, we have some 600 wet dry sandpaper.
No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't say sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough, I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be real.
We'll also be doing a small section from here, back, same on the other side. Be sure to get inside this part right here. Just take our sandpaper, roll it up. We are going to be sanding and polishing these edges, the flat parts. Okay, after sanding, we're going to clean it off. Okay, now at this point, we're going to take some blitz, put it on our heavy-duty brush. We're going to go ahead and do the outside of the extractor as well. Okay, once again, we're going to clean it. Here's where we are after the sanding and brushing with the blitz. This is where the rotary tool is going to come in handy. We'll start by putting blitz on the extractor. Okay, we're done polishing with our Dremel. Now final wipe down. Now we're going to do wipe down with the Slew Bar Butte, $90 a gallon. You can see how much is still left on the extractor. Now it's time to reinstall the extractor. Okay, we can see it's a little dirty inside there. Take a towel, some Action Blaster on it. Let's not forget to remove the spring, place it in a bag. In the next video, we'll be taking down the safety lever and cleaning the firing pin. We're putting on some of this lube that I reviewed. It's $90 a gallon. Now that it's cleaned and lubed, let's put it back together. We have our spring and our pin cleaned and lubed. Putting the spring back, the pointy end towards you. Okay, with the extractor, note the orientation, the angle. With our thumb, we're pushing down on the extractor. Here's our polish extractor. This is an ongoing project. Next step is going to be painting the slide. And be sure to visit my channel, check out all my fooling videos.